Hello, this video is going to show you how to change the page setup in your Google Slides presentation. So in order to start, just open any new Google Slides and come here and open it. Before you do anything, you want to change the page setup so that as you add images and text, it doesn't get distorted if you were to change the page setup later. So what you'll do is you'll come to File, scroll down, and you'll come to Page Setup. And it always defaults to this widescreen. So hit the drop down and go to Custom. And then I'm going to use the page setup like a Google Doc so that this looks like an 8.5 by 11 size paper. Select Apply when we're done. So now you can see it looks like more like a Google Doc rather than the slides presentation custom setting.